How to buy a drop token. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, before going and buying this token, make sure to check their X account. They have a big community there. Now, make sure to keep following their updates about their token. Now let's go and buy this token. So as you can see, this token it's available on Dix Screener, as you can see. Now if you don't have an account on Dix Screener, just go and create one. Now as you can see, this is our token. You can buy it by going on the website. Just click on it. And now after that, as you can see, this is the website that you can buy this token in. Now this is all of the information of that token. Now if you scroll up, as you can see, you can click on get drop, and now they will redirect you to first ledger. It's the same if you click here in trade drop and XRP. If you click on it, they will show you this pop-up, and this is the first ledger. If you want to expand it, just click on it, click on here, and it will be open a new window. As you can see, this is the first ledger.net account. Make sure you have an account on it and connect your wallet on it. Now scroll down after that, and now as you can see, you can change the slippage. So either you want to increase it or you want to decrease it. Now after that, type here how much you want to buy with XRP, and this is, as you can see, this is how much you receive of that token. Now after that, make sure to read all of these token details, the market cap, 24 hours volume, the supply, and about this token. If you are ready to go, just click on buy drop. And as you can see, because I don't connect my wallet, in your case, connect your wallet to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy a drop token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.